So basically, you've got an equation now, which is the tax is equal to 0.25 multiplied by the earnings minus 12,500. And it's given you, it said that on 1 year, or this year, he pays 5,500. So how much did his earnings amount to? In other words, what must his earnings have to have? What must have his earnings must have been in order for him to pay that much tax? So you just put that into the equation like that. What you can do is not put it into the equation, rearrange it so you get E equals, but if you want, put that into the equation, and then you have to rearrange it. So let's just move this onto the line because it's a bit messy where it is. And shrink it down a little bit. And I'm going to rotate it as well. Oh no, I can't bother with that. Mess it up. So we've got, what first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 4 because 0.25 is 1/4. So if you multiply both sides by 4, then you'll get rid of 0.25 from the right-hand side. So I'm not going to actually work that out yet. I'm just going to leave it at that and saying that's equal to the earnings minus 12,500. So then what I'll do is I'm just going to, maybe I could just, because I have to, let's just actually work that out. So 5,500 times 2 would be 11,000. So this is going to be 22,000, which is equal to the earnings minus 12,500. So now to work out what the earnings are, I'm going to have to add the personal allowance back into it. And those I'm going to, or if we think about it just in terms of algebra, I'm going to add 12,500 to both sides. 12,000. Oops. So sorry, just the original 22,000. Add 12,500 is what his earnings is. It must be. It's what E is. So just putting that into my calculator, 22,000 plus 12,500. So his earnings for that year must have been 34,500.